Okay,
This
good morning.
conference will now be recorded.
Today is the fourth session, and today we will do 19C database software installation. Means we will install software binaries, and after that we will create the database through DBCA. So this is the two tasks we will do today. Okay, so let's begin with this. So this is my virtual machine, and first of all I will check what is my host name. Okay, so my host name is prod1 dot oracle, right? If suppose you want to change your host name, so there is a command host name ctl set host name, and then you can give the host name. So this is the way you can set the host name, and after that you need to restart the machine, and then you can check your status. Okay, so this is the way you can change the host name. Right now I don't want to change that, so that's why I'm not changing it. I'm just showing the command, so you can note it. Host name ctl is the command, and then set hyphen host name, and then the host name which you want to your machine. Okay, and after that you have to restart the machine, and then you can check your host name by host name ctl status command. Now I need to check my IP. So what is the command? Command is if config pipe grep inet. So you can see that my IP is 192.168.56.21. So this is my machine IP. So that client can connect by this IP to my machine. So now the important file is host file. So this host file contains the host name and IPs and all. So we need to set this IP into my host file. So let me copy this 192.168. Just press I, insert mode, page down, and then enter. Then you can type the IPs, then host name. So my host name is prod1 dot oracle, right? Okay, and after that you can type alias prod1, and now escape colon wq and exclamatory sign and save it. Now you can check cat etc host. So your everything is showing. Okay, so this is the way you can do that. Clear? Till now it's clear. Now what else we have to do? We have to set SE Linux actually. So first check what is SE Linux value. So by cat command and by grep we can find out my SE Linux is enforcing. So we need to change it permissive. So we will open the file and just open it. Here go to that line, press I, insert, then remove. Spelling is there. You can take it from above. PERMISSIVE, permissive, escape colon WQ exclamatory sign is now come out. So this is the way you can check it. Now we can check what is status. So see that it's showing permissive. Okay, so this is the way we will change the SE Linux. Now third thing we will do firewall related thing. So first we will check what is my firewall is running. So we will stop the firewall. So we fire the command systemctl stop firewall d. Now again check, so it's not running, dead, and after that we will disable, so it will remove the things. So when I say system disable firewall D, so it will remove link whatever it was there. So this is the way we will do for firewall setting. Now we had pre-installation RPM. If we run that RPM, my user will be created, my packages will be installed, my kernel settings will be updated, and my soft limit will be written. So everything will done by this one RPM. Okay, so now here you can see that I'm showing ID Oracle user is not there. So now we have very less task. Earlier in 11G we need to set everything. Okay, so now, oh, so this error is coming because my net is down. So let me connect, and again I will type. So this RPM will install the things. Again net is down, let me make it on. So now it's loading. So see that. So Oracle database pre-install 19c. So this is for this we required internet. Okay, so now everything is done. It's installing packages. Okay, and now everything is done. Now if I check whether my Oracle is created or not, so see that Oracle user is created. So that is very simple way in 19c. Okay, so this is the best benefit. And now there are some packages which is required for X11. So I just checking it. So now these Xorg related packages, we will do that by yum. Okay, so that also done. And next thing we will check what is my X11 forwarding setting. So it should be yes. Okay, so this is yes, and if it is no, then you have to do that. Okay, and now we will start SSHD if it is not running. So systemctl status SSHD. So it was running, but I restarted for safety purpose. So by systemctl restart SSHD. Okay. So now till that no problem. Now what I will do, I will set the password for Oracle. Okay, pass wt Oracle is the command, password. So Oracle password is created. Now I will create the directory. First I will create a directory by mkdir command we did in Linux sessions. So u01 app or inventory, I created one directory, and then I will create Oracle home. So by mkdir, I am creating Oracle home, u01 app, Oracle product 19, and db underscore 1. So these two directories we should create, and this directory is created by root. So permission is root. So now we change the permission. So ownership we will change. So first we will change for Aura inventory. So chown command, we did that. So chown hyphen r, primary group is Oracle, secondary group is o install, and then the path. And now again change for Oracle. So this one is also, so whatever after Oracle it will change that. And now we will give the owner modification chmod 775 to whole folder. Okay, u01. So this step is required. Okay, now we want to run the xhost command, uh, because if suppose I say x clock, it's working fine. If suppose it's not working, then you have to add x host plus machine name or IP. Okay, so it will say being added to access control. Now same thing I need to do for Oracle also. So just switch the user, and log in as Oracle, and Oracle user is created just now. So we need to do some settings before going to open a terminal. So this next privacy should be off, then skip, then start using Oracle window, and then open a terminal. Now open the font size, change it to 22 or 20, make it bold, and then close. Okay, now here also you should do xhost plus prod1. So now as this is coming, so x clock is running, so my graphics is working fine. Okay, so that we think that we need to do that. Now again come back to Oracle, sorry, root. Now here we need to access the directory of software. So we need to add Oracle to VirtualBox. So the command is user mode -a-g vbox sf and then Oracle. So this is the command will add Oracle into vbox sf. So if you check id Oracle, so see that vbox sf is added, that id is 982. So this we need to done, id, then go back to Oracle user. Now root part is done, and log into Oracle. Now here cd/media and then s. Okay, permission denied. Why permission denied? Okay, do with that. Switch user from Oracle. We do that. Root r su-oracle cd media sf ls. So here Linux db home zip file is there. So what we'll do, we copy into Oracle home. So cp and then Linux d, then -d, then /u01 app Oracle product 19c-db1. So here we will copy that. So this was not there actually earlier, but now whenever you want to unzip the software, you have to copy into Oracle home, and then you have to unzip in Oracle home. After that you need to run the installer, then you can install the software binary. So this is the change, is from 18c, I think. 12c it's not, but I forgot actually. So in 11g also this was not there. Okay, so I think 12c or 18c it's started to unzip the software in home actually. I will check and let you know. So yeah, it's copied, and now sorry, now what we will do, we will go to that location. Okay, cd, just copy this. So here check ls. Now unzip -q l this. So we are unzipping. Okay, so if you are using -q, so it will not display the extracting files on your terminal. It will just pop up your cursor. When it will finish, it will come out from the unzip command. Yeah, any questions? Yeah, guys, any doubt? Say yes or no in chat box.
How can you add one user using public key in Oracle Home?
Sorry,
As a DBA, how you are adding another user public key into your Oracle Home?
no, I didn't get your question.
So another user will be having a access for that whatever the DBA role is there for the Oracle either 19C or 18C. So for that case, his public key is there. So how we are adding the public key into in the database?
Public key I'm not discussing right now. So I am discussing the installation and all that. So why you want to add public keys? What is the use of that? So that is not related to today lecture.
Okay, okay, sure.
Whatever I am telling, if you have any doubt in that, you ask please. Because if you ask different things, so it will disturb today's session. So my topic is today whatever the steps required to install the Oracle software binaries that I'm doing. And after that, how to create the database through DBCA that I will show. So these two tasks I will cover today. So now it's unzip. So if you say CLS, check the permission also, Oracle install, everything is perfect. Okay. So if suppose from here, if you run the installer command, okay, so it will say unable to display. So what is the problem in that? Because we log in as a SU. Okay, so don't do this. Just come out from root and log in directly to Oracle. Many people did this mistake, so that's why I showed that. So just go to this location, product 19 db, and then dot run installer. Now here it will pop up. So there was no error in setting. But if you perform from root and SU, so log in to Oracle, then it will give a problem. So now here choose the second option, set software only. Then we go for single instance. So we will say single instance database creation. Then enterprise edition, we will go for enterprise edition. And then Oracle base, it is perfect. U01 app Oracle, no need to change. And software location is db_1, so it is perfect. Then Aura inventory we created, so it is perfect. And group name is oinstall, so everything is perfect, no need to change. Now here every group is there. So DBA group, Oper group, backup DBA group. For data guard we have DGDBA. For encryption key management we have KMDBA. For real application cluster we have RAG-DBA. So these new user introduced actually. Earlier it was only DBA and Oper till 11G. Okay, now go to next. Now here it is asking automatic script you want. The two script actually we need to run. The first one is aura inst root.sh and then root.sh. If you want to automatic, just check it and pass the password. It will run automatically, but I don't want to do this. So just uncheck and then next. Then it will perform the prerequisite checks and then it will show the summary. Now everything is perfect. Data Oracle software role script, everything is perfect. Now just press the install button. Now it is installing. So just wait for a few minutes, and when it will goes to execute root script, then it will pop up to script. We have to copy that and we have to run from root terminal. So preparation is done. Now it is linking the binaries. Now binaries is done. Now setup is done. Now see that a script is pop up. So just right click, open a terminal, switch to root, and now go to this. So first aura inst root.sh. When you hit, it will change the permissions of aura inventory. Okay, and changing group name to o install. The execution of this script is completed. Now go to second script, and that is aura root.sh, and then it will ask the full path of local binaries. It is setting the Oracle home, Oracle owner. Just enter. So it will copy the DBA home to local bin, copy to Aura env to local bin, copy to co C Aura env to local bin. Then it will create etc Aura tab file, and entry will be added to the etc Aura tab file as needed. But the change is that when database is created, then it will add the entries in that, so need to check that. So aura tab, so here see no entry is added till now. Okay, so only the values and information is there. So this file is used by Oracle utility, and it is created by root and updated by DBCA while creating a database. So just wait for the database creation. Now we press OK. So when we press OK, my installation is successfully completed. Got it? So now my software binary is installed. Okay. Now what we will do, we will create the database. So just close this terminal and open this terminal, clear, then cd bin, go to this location. So the whole location is this. Now here we have DBCA tool, so we have to open DBCA tool to create the database. So .dbca. So here first option is create a database, then advanced configuration, then single instance and general purpose, then uncontainer database. I don't want CDB PDB, so just uncheck, and my database is ORCL name, so I'm not changing. And then I will use the template because we are not using ASM storage. And then I will not enable FRA and archiving. And then I need to create a listener. So listener, but just need to pass the listener name, and port is 1521, and Oracle home is DB_1, and wallet and label security I don't want, so just uncheck. And memory is as it is, process is 322, block size is 8 KB, character set is Unicode, connection mode is dedicated, add schemas, sample schema we will add, so HR user will come. So now go to next. Now here I don't want Oracle Enterprise Manager, so just uncheck. And now I will pass the password for both the user. So it will say this password is not according to Oracle policy, but I said no worries. And then create database options comes. You can save this script as a template, and you can create generation script if you want. Okay, and all initialization parameter is here. Okay, so basic parameter is SGA target is coming, block size, language, control file, remote login password, processes, PG aggregate target, NLS territory, open cursor, DB domain Oracle right, compatible 19, DB name, ORCL. So these are the parameter will include an SP file, other parameter will not include. If you want, you can add it. If you want advanced parameters, so advanced parameter is also is increasing like this. So many advanced parameter is also there. So you need to check it, and you can add also. Okay, so just close it. And storage location you want to customize, so control files, two control files will be created. Okay, and data files, sysauc, system, undo, user, temp, and redo log group is 3. And every group has one member, 1 2 3, like that. Okay, so just close this also. So everything is perfect. Now go to next. Now it's you want to save this files, you can save it. So save as Oracle desktop I want. So just save it. So see that dbca.rsp is here. Now finish. Now it will start database creation. So this DB creation is going on. Prepare for debug. DB operation is succeeded. Now it's copying database files. Okay, so just wait for 5 minutes. I think it will finish in 5 to 7 minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask. How many had done 19C installation and 19C DB creation on your personal laptop or desktop, or in your office, in your job? Please reply. It's morning, guys, not night. Wake up. Thanks, Ajay, for replying.
Thank you. Hi, Ahmad. I am Ajay.
Hi. Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you explain Xhost and Xclack commands?
Xhost has basically added to access control list. So for that we use Xhost, and we need to check the graphics. So xclock is the command. So clock will open. Xeyes is the command. So eyes will be open. So it means your graphics is perfect, and you are good to go for run installer tool.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, hi Ahmad. Sometimes in production, uh, they are not allowing this X forwarding, right? How can we do that time? We need to do
Then
command line.
you have to set from putty you need to install, so you have to set the display. So on local home you will set the display, and then from local home you can use xming software or some xboost, something like that. So this software is required to install on black screen, or you can say putty.
Okay.
If I get a time, I will show from that way also. Okay, how to install from T without graphics.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So this tool will open on your Putty terminal. So we required Xming or another one software. I just forget that. That also start from X actually, Xmobox or something like that.
Okay.
Okay. So now everything is going perfect because we had 8 GB RAM and we set everything properly. So that's why software binaries install perfectly and database creation is also going smooth, hopefully, so far. Now it's creating a database creation script. Now everything is done. Now go to password management and just check the HR user. So HR is there. So unlock the HR user and set the password for HR user and then OK. It say password is not satisfied the policy. Don't worry. Then close it. So now your database is created. Now if I say SQL plus slash s sysdba, so it's a command not found. So what we will do, we will set the environment variables in user Oracle home and then we are good to go. So just come out from this directory and open this file and insert down and now here you need to set the Oracle settings variables. Okay, so these are the settings where temp directory, temp dir, host name, unique name, Oracle base, database home, then SID, ORCL, which we created, base path, path, library, class path. So these settings we need to save it. Okay, and after that we need to run this setting. So either you have to come out or you can run like this way with dot. So it is done. Now connect SQL plus slash as sysdba. So now it's connected. Otherwise earlier it was not connecting. Now check the version of the database. So we had v dollar version and banner is the column. So Oracle database 19c Enterprise Edition release 19000. Okay, now check instance name and version and version full status edition database type. So here instance name is ORCL, version is 19, version full is 19.3, status open, edition is enterprise, and database type is single. It's not rack. Okay, so this is the second query, and then need to check whether this database is a container database or normal. So in CDB column, you see that it's no, it means it's not a CDB PDB database. It is old database architecture database which was started from version 1 to version 11G. After 11G, CDB PDB concept came from 12C. So from 12C we have two options. We can create non-CDB PDB and we can create CDB PDB. But my workshop is based on non-CDB, so that's why we created old architecture database. Okay, so this is, so now we had done two tasks. Okay, we installed the software binaries. Oh, okay, we can check whether my database is archive log mode or not. Okay, I will ignore it. Okay, so now this task is done. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Archive log list. Okay, yeah, so this is archive log list is command. So it's showing my database is in no archive log mode. So how to convert in archive log mode, we will see later. Okay, and how to enable the archiving, so that we will see later. So because we created no archive log database because we didn't check the option when we were creating the database. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, Ahmad, I have a question.
Yes.
Uh, we have created a bash profile, right? That is the default
Mm,
one, right, in
mm,
Linux. Suppose if we
mhm.
want to create a custom profile and we need to run using that custom profile, can we able to do that?
What does mean custom profile?
Uh, I mean, I don't want to use the default one. Maybe I need to use a different
Yeah,
one.
then yeah, I forgot to show that. Just let me check the cat etc Aura tab file. Okay, so see that entry is created. So here, if you don't have bash profile, you need to add all the databases here and put y colon y instead of n. And after that, every time you have to run the script dot aura env like that. Okay.
Oh, manually. Okay.
So it will set ask the SID. You have to pass the SID and then you will connect to that database like that.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So you can create the environment differently and pass it to the things. Okay. So
Yeah,
the cat etc aura tab is the one. But every time when you want to log in, you have to run this script. You have to pass the SID. You have to set the home and everything. Okay.
yeah, yeah, got it.
So for that, customize that, you have to do this. You want to fix something, so you have to put it in Oracle Home.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? So only two people, Ajay had done the installation, and after that, Sainath had done the Oracle client installation, and other one is not, or you don't want to share. Okay, so thanks for joining the sessions.